Hey everybody, meteorologist Brad Penvich with SkiSoutheast.com here. Let's get excited for a little pattern change for the end of the week. Sorry I didn't do an update on Monday. I was dealing with a tornado down here in the Charlotte area. Tornado went through my backyard, so I was doing some cleanup action. And honestly, there wasn't a lot to really talk about early in the week, but I know we've got some warm, really rainy weather early on, but let's talk about the potential of seeing a little bit of a pattern change, especially as we go towards the end of the week. And I'm not looking at a ton of natural snow, but I will tell you that I'm pretty excited about the colder pattern that's heading our way. Here's a look at the future cast as we look ahead through the middle of the week. Mostly rain, but then look at this front plowing through Thursday. Even late Thursday night, the back side of this, there's going to be some moisture coming off the Great Lakes that we're going to get some northwest flow and a little synoptic wraparound moisture with this system. And even in North Carolina, there could be a dusting to an inch. So at least the potential of a little bit of snow. But the bigger story with this front is we can get the snowmaking cranked right back up. And it's going to be ideal snowmaking starting Thursday night through Friday and most of Saturday. Really a chilly weekend setting up here across the southeast. And there will be a pretty decent amount of natural snow up in West Virginia, Virginia, and Maryland. But I think we'll be able to get the slopes back to where they were not too long ago with the rain and warm temperatures kind of melting. Now, just to show you how this unfolds Thursday night through Friday, you know, it's not too shabby. That's a good way to go into the weekend. So if you're going this weekend, and honestly, this season is as bad as it's been at times, excuse me, in the middle of the week, with warm temperatures and rain, we've really timed out the weekends pretty nicely. I mean, last weekend was awesome, and this weekend it looks like it's setting up again for some natural snow and the potential of seeing some cold temperatures. So here's a quick look at your forecast for the southeast. You can see I'm highlighting some snow on Friday. I honestly could have started this Thursday night, and I think snowmaking for at least 3 days in North Carolina and Tennessee and probably West Virginia, Virginia, Maryland, maybe 3.5 with a little bit of natural snow. But the snow making's a key part here. It's really not so much about the natural snow. So let's look long range because I'm getting excited. I don't know about you, but for the Ski Southeast Summit. And if you haven't signed up yet, make sure you go to skisoutheast.com, spread the word. It's a great time. I wouldn't even worry about the weather right now. I'll talk more about that as we get closer, but every year that I've gone, and I ski at Snowshoe a lot at the end of the season, and when I'm talking about March and April, it's always such an amazing time. They always have good snow. Sometimes you get lucky and time out a really nice spring storm, and it's usually not that crowded, and all the deals that they give us for Ski Southeast is just amazing. So if you get a chance, sign up. It's totally worth it. We have a good time for everybody, families, kids, young, old. It's just an amazing event, so please sign up. So here's the long-range feature cast. You see the snow this weekend. Cold and dry Friday, Saturday, and really most of the weekend. That's why I said this weekend looks pretty awesome. Could be a little touch of snow on Sunday morning up in West Virginia. A little bit of warmer air tries to surge in early next week. I got to watch this system because it might be just a hair colder to the north that we could see a little bit of snow. And here's what I'm talking about by Wednesday. So we're starting to see some hints of some snow here. But this looks like probably a cold rain, kind of foggy setup. Again, seems like early to midweek we're getting these rain systems. And then by the weekend, it cools off. Looking ahead to late next week, this is an interesting storm system that's coming across. Right now it looks like it's going to track up here, but if it tracks a little farther south and goes this way, I think there's going to be enough cold air that we might sneak out a little bit of snow. But that's, you know, gosh, that's 10 days out, guys. Let's not get too excited about that because it's still so early on to be thinking about that. But just something to give you a sneak peek. Again, here's the most important thing. Forecast here for the next 5 days as we look ahead, 6 days really. Going into the weekend and into early next week. I'll update this again on Thursday. And again, remember, go to skisoutheast.com, sign up for that ski summit. It is amazing up at Snowshoe coming up at the end of the month into early March. As always, everybody, think snow. We still got time.